At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting an online personal training, PT, business can be an exciting venture that allows you to reach clients beyond geographical boundaries. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Define your niche. Determine your target audience and the specific services you'll offer. Consider factors like age group, fitness goals, or specialized training, e.g., weight loss, muscle building, flexibility training. 2. Obtain certification. Ensure you have the necessary qualifications and certifications to provide personal training services. This may include certifications from reputable organizations such as ACE, NASM, or ACSM. 3. Create a business plan. Outline your business goals, target market, pricing structure, and marketing strategies. A solid business plan will guide your decisions and help you stay focused. 4. Build your online presence. Create a professional website that showcases your services, expertise, and testimonials from satisfied clients. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube to reach a wider audience and engage with potential clients. 5. Invest in equipment and software. Purchase any equipment or software you need to deliver high-quality online training sessions. This may include video conferencing tools, fitness tracking apps, and online payment platforms. 6. Develop your brand. Choose a memorable name and design a logo that reflects your brand identity. Consistent branding across all platforms will help you establish credibility and attract clients. 7. Offer free content. Share valuable content such as workout videos, nutrition tips, and motivational posts to demonstrate your expertise and attract potential clients. This can help you build trust and credibility in your niche. 8. Set up payment and scheduling systems. Implement a secure payment system and an online scheduling platform to streamline the booking process for your clients. Make it easy for them to pay for your services and book sessions at their convenience. 9. Provide exceptional service. Deliver personalized training programs tailored to each client's goals, preferences, and fitness level. Communicate regularly with your clients to provide guidance, support, and accountability. 10. Market your business. Use a variety of marketing tactics to promote your online PT business and attract clients. This may include email marketing, social media advertising, partnerships with other fitness professionals, and offering special promotions or discounts. 11. Seek feedback and refine your services. Encourage feedback from your clients to continuously improve your services and client experience. Use their input to refine your training programs and grow your business. Starting an online PT business requires dedication, hard work, and a commitment to providing exceptional service to your clients. By following these steps and staying focused on your goals, you can build a successful and rewarding business in the rapidly growing online fitness industry. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.